Have you ever been sat in a traffic jam, drumming your fingers on the steering wheel when your phone suddenly pipes up, "Faster route available"? It's like magic. But how does Google Maps actually know what's happening on the roads? And before you ask, no, there's no secret traffic helicopter hovering just for you. Let me show you the tech wizardry that makes Google Maps the traffic oracle we all rely on. First up, your smartphone is the real MVP. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, your location data is constantly being sent, anonymously, don't worry, to Google. Now picture millions of dots moving all over a digital map. If loads of those dots start slowing down along the same stretch of road, Google Maps flags it as congestion. No need for physical cameras or sensors on the road, just the silent cooperation of your pocket supercomputer. But it gets smarter. Your phone isn't just sending your location, it's feeding back things like your speed, changes in direction, even when you hit the brakes sharply. Between your GPS, accelerometer, and gyroscope, Google can build a virtual traffic control room, all without you lifting a finger. Here's where it gets really clever: machine learning. Google Maps doesn't just react to traffic jams, it predicts them. It analyzes years of data, looks at how traffic flows at different times and days, factors in public events and even weather conditions. So if it knows every Tuesday morning is a nightmare near your office, it'll reroute you before you even leave home. Oh, and don't forget about Waze. That's Google's other navigation app where people manually report accidents, hazards, or those sneaky speed traps. All those reports, fed straight into Google Maps. So if someone up ahead hits a pothole or spots a queue, you'll know about it almost instantly. Now imagine all that data, millions of updates every second, being crunched in Google's cloud servers. It's lightning fast. As soon as there's a change, your route updates in real time, sometimes before you even realize something's wrong. So, next time Google Maps suggests a detour, don't doubt it. Behind the scenes, it's an army of data points, smart algorithms, and real drivers, all working together to shave minutes off your commute. That's not just smart travel, that's science in your pocket. If you enjoyed peeling back the layers of tech magic, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know which tech mystery you want me to decode next.